Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times design team project, and this week we were to use the You've Got Mail dies. So I use that and a bunch of more product, and I also made a cute little box from the You've Got Mail treat box. So anyways, I'm using the You've Got Mail treat boxes and its add-ons. These. And I am also using the I Love Fall, and I'm using all the makings to the little hat. I'm also using the stamps as well, Season of Thanks and Thankful for You, as well as the 3x3 square card dies. And then I went a little bit back and I'm using her more sentiment dies, and I'm using this one right here. And all of the products will be linked down below. And then I'm also using her holiday bowl. I think that's what it's called. If not, you can just check down below and get the links to everything. I am also using this holiday treat bag, I think is what it's called. If not, maybe I'll pop it across the screen or just look down below. I'm using that little leaf out of there. And from the Etched Edge Z card, I'm using the little pocket add-on there. From her Beautiful Basics, I'm using this one here. Ginger Halloween paper pack. I am using this as well as this. All right, so let's start off. I think I'm going to start off with the extra little treat box that I made. And I made that using this part on that mailbox die. And I turned it into a smaller treat box by just trimming about 3/4 of an inch off to make this cute little treat box. And you can put just about any little thing in there, and it measures about 3x4, I think. And then on the back side I did add a little pocket there, just super cute. That's where I used that holiday bowl. Really adorable little treat box. And so this one is fall themed and I really like it. And let me show you the other mail bond. This is where I put that little hat right there, the little buckle. I tried to coordinate with the paper that's on there, so I thought I found a cute background paper to use with that, and I added that little lock on there this time, and I cut everything out in gold. Season of Thanks there, that little leaf that I got from the holiday envelope die, and then I also put the flag in gold, put a little brad on it so it can move up and down, and another leaf there. And let's take off this lock so we can see what's in the inside. Okay, let's remove that. I did double layer this so it could be a little bit more sturdy. And what I did was I made 3x3 cards. And look at those. Perfect for the season that's coming up. Thankful for You. And I made 3 of those. Just an adorable little treat box and card set. Love how these turned out. So if you have the time, make sure you pick up yours and head over to My Creative Time. I'll have all of her links down below, as well as my design team sisters. And that's it. You all have a blessed and crafty day.